Hey guys, it's Noah Ferez from Bridgewater Chevrolet, introducing y'all to our brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado with the Beast package. Both of these trucks come with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, and this blue one right here comes with the 6.2 liter V8 engine. Absolutely beautiful trucks, rolling on 35-inch wheels with a 10,000-pound bumper right here with the winch set. Both these trucks come with the Z71 off-road edition and this beautiful illuminated Chevy bow tie. When it's on, it lights up around the black. Huge trucks, absolutely beautiful. This one's our double cab. These come with the loud exhaust, the 6-inch lift with the 35-inch tires, and the all-new air ride suspension. Give me a call whenever. Please check these things out. Got great deals on them. It's the beginning of the year. Please let me know what y'all think. Thanks so much.